cartoon. My teacher.
My teacher wears a happy smile and tells stories that are worthwhile. My teacher knows it all and hangs maps on the wall. My teacher gives us support, doesn't matter if you're tall or short. My teacher wears a happy smile and tells stories that are worthwhile. My teacher knows it all and hangs maps on the wall. My teacher gives us support, doesn't matter if you're tall or short. My teacher is bright and smart, teaches us math, science and art. My teacher helps my mind. My teacher is sweet and kind. I'm really so grateful for you and all the things that you do.
The Little Pup. We were playing at the school, at the school, at the school. We were playing at the school, my dear puppy. We saw something by the tree, by the tree, by the tree. We saw something by the tree, my dear puppy. A little dog had hurt his knee, hurt his knee, hurt his knee. A little dog had hurt his knee, my dear puppy. Slowly, slowly pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Slowly, slowly pick him up, my dear puppy. To the doctor we did rush, we did rush, we did rush. To the doctor we did rush, my dear puppy. The doctor said, let's take a look, take a look, take a look. The doctor said, let's take a look, my dear puppy. On his knee he put some cream, put some cream, put some cream. On his knee he put some cream, my dear puppy. Let him rest, then he can play, he can play, he can play. Let him rest, then he can play, my dear puppy. the ball here and there, but found nothing at all. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, lonely and sad, lonely and sad. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, without his favorite toy. Then there was a knock on the door, knock on the door, knock on the door. Then there was